Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and basic indicators. Check the LED and any on-screen error. This tells you if it's power or network. Next, verify the router band and credentials, since many Nest models prefer 4 GHz, write them down. Once done, open the Google Home or Nest app and locate the device entry to see current firmware and status. This gives you the specifics you'll need for targeted fixes. You'll proceed to network-level fixes. Restart the modem and router, wait 60 seconds, then power cycle the camera. This resolves many DHCP and handshake problems. If the camera still shows offline, use the app to remove and re-add the device. The resetup forces a fresh network registration. If that fails, move the camera close to the router to rule out signal issues, or tether your phone as a hotspot to test whether your home network or the camera itself is at fault. Finish by performing a factory reset only after re-add attempts fail. Follow the exact button timing for your Nest model so you don't partial wipe settings. Then update router firmware and inspect firewall or parental controls that may block UDP/TCP traffic. Make sure the camera can reach Google services. If the camera remains offline, contact Google support. When you do, explain the serial number, firmware version, and every troubleshooting step you've already completed. This speeds diagnosis and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.